Hello friends, today I'm very excited because I bought a new DJI Spark. Let me do the unboxing and see what's inside. Here we go, I found another black box inside the main box. Let's open some booklet and the USB cable. We can charge and also transport the data by this USB cable. Here we go, one brick to connect with power source. Now, well, it's a nice case for the DJI Spark. And here you go, my new DJI Spark. So the price of this drone is $400, actually $399. But the thing is, I got a remote control for free, which is cost like almost $159. You have more control if you have the remote, and you can fly higher with this thing. Also, I got a 16 GB memory card with this package. So overall, that's all. Also, I got one extra propeller